In this video, we'll be showcasing the 5 best AI art generators that can turn your text into mind-boggling art that you can use for a variety of things. Let's get right into it. Number 1, Jasper Art. This tool allows users to choose the medium, artist, and mood of their art pieces and works in 29 languages. The generated images are copyright-free, available for unlimited use without watermarks, and are available in high resolution. And it makes a perfect companion for Jasper AI. Sadly, it does not offer a free version, but paid plans start at $20 per month. Before we continue, do yourself a favor and head to our description. There you'll find a link to every tool featured in this video, and if you purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which helps support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Number 2, PhotoSonic. The tool allows users to control the quality and style of their generated images and offers various design and image styles to choose from. It also lets users remove the background from the images and offers auto face restoration. The interface is user-friendly and comes with a free trial that allows users to regenerate up to 5 images with a watermark. Our first prompt did not give us great results, so we switched it to a firefighter dog on top of a burning building. This is what we got, and it's pretty cool. Paid plans start at $10 per month. Number 3, Shutterstock. This tool is a simple way to generate images for commercial and personal use with a set number of image styles that can be refined further. It's backed by a vast library, but takes longer to generate images than other tools. The tool is used to create photos, digital art, and 3D art, and claims to be ethically designed. Our first attempt was interesting, but our firefighter dog prompt was quite cool. Paid plans start at $50 per month. While you're here, we'd really appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our future videos like this one. Number 4, NightCafe. This tool comes with the ability to refine and regenerate images until satisfaction is achieved. The community-focused platform has a searchable library of images created by users worldwide and daily challenges for art competitions. NightCafe also offers an AI face generator tool and an AI art therapy tool to foster creative expression. The platform is available on mobile for on-the-go use. Our firefighter dog prompt returns some really unique results, as well as some comical ones. Paid plans start at $6 per month. And finally, number 5, CF Spark Art. This tool has presets to make creating digital art easier, a friendly and easy to use interface, and generates 4 image variations of your art. You can publish them to the CF community, download or remix them with CF Image Mix tool, and you can speed up your art creation time with paid credits. This is the platform I had the most issues with. Some images wouldn't generate, and the ones it did were just okay. Paid plans start at $9 per month. In case you're wondering what our favorite from the list is, we'd pick Jasper Art. With the ability to work in 29 languages and options to select your preferred medium, artist, and mood, Jasper Art provides high quality 2K pixel images that are royalty-free for commercial use and without any watermark. Plus, with unlimited image generations, the creative possibilities are endless. And there you go. Those are the 5 best AI art generators you can get your hands on today. Don't forget to head to the description for a link to every tool we featured. And if you purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which helps support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Let us know in the comments below your favorite advice for getting the best results with an AI art generator. With that said, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more like it. We'll see you next time.